Sora AI is one of the best AI video generators in 2025. And as you can see, I'm accessing it from Nigeria. And this is exactly what you're about to learn from my creator, Big Jonab.
So what do you think about Sora AI?
Sora AI is cool, but the fact that it's not available in Nigeria is something else. But in this video, Big Jonab is going to teach you how to access it from anywhere.
Yeah, I like the sound
Stick
of that.
around.
He makes it super
Can't
easy.
wait.
OpenAI, the big company behind ChatGPT, just released Sora 2 and it literally destroyed Google Veo 3. Yes, I call it Google Veo 3 killer because it talks just like Google Veo 3 or even better. Yes, and guess what? It supports multiple characters. But there's a downside. You can only access Sora 2 if you are staying in the United States or in Canada. And also, before you can have access to Sora 2, you need to get an invite code. But you don't need to worry. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to access Sora 2 even though you are not staying in the United States or Canada, and also how to get the invite code all for free, and also step by step on how to create a realistic AI video using Sora 2. So make sure to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, the first thing that we need to do is to change our IP address from Nigeria to either Canada or USA, and we are going to be making use of a free VPN called Urban VPN. All right, so head over to Play Store, search for Urban VPN. Okay, Urban VPN. As you can see, this particular VPN, look at it, this particular VPN, go ahead and install it. Okay, and it is what I've been using for a very long time now. So immediately you install the VPN, just come out here, locate the VPN, click it. Okay, go ahead and click this choose free, and then go ahead and click this accept, agree, enable. Make sure you enable it. If you not enable it, you will not have access to it. You are going to see the VPN under here like this. Click it and then turn on all this. Click this, allow, got it. Click this one. Okay, you just give it the permission and then go back. All right, here we go. Okay, as you can see, but immediately it open this way. Go ahead and click the cyber. Make sure to connect to Canada or USA. I'm going to be using Canada. Okay, Canada, as you can see, connect to Canada. Okay, as you can see, it's already connected to Canada. Guys, this is cool, this is nice, and this VPN is absolutely free. Okay, with this VPN, we'll be able to have access to Sora 2. All right, now let's head over to Sora 2 now. Come here, go to your Chrome. Okay, search for Sora 2 and then go ahead and hit OK. Okay, so immediately it open, you just need to scroll up. You are going to see this particular website. As you can see, sora.com. This particular one, sora.com. You just have to go ahead and click the website. Okay, as you can see, here's the site. So this is how the interface look like. If you look very well, you see by the image quality of Sora is top notch. Okay, the video quality is top notch. Look at that. Isn't this Samsung guy? Look at it. Okay, you see that. So this is how the interface look like. Okay, but if you notice very well, you are going to see join new Sora. Yes, because currently we are on the old Sora, which is Sora 1. All right, and this join new Sora now is the Sora 2, and that is the reason why we are here. Okay, the new Sora is better. That is what everybody are talking about. That is what a lot of people are using currently, and that is what we are going to be using in this video. Yes, you are going to have access to it. You don't need to panic. Okay, so for you to do that, you just have to go ahead and click this new Sora. Okay, go ahead and click new Sora. Okay, so if you click the join new Sora, it's going to take you here, and as you can see, you see that now enter invite code. Okay, so and this is the downside. Before you can access Sora 2, you need to have an invite code. So how do we now get this invite code? Where can we get it from? If you don't know anybody that have Sora 2 and you are not based in the US, how do you now have access to this Sora 2? Well, this is Big Jonah. We solve problem. You don't need to worry. We are going to be passing through this phase. But before that, let me show you how you can use Sora 2, how you can create a realistic AI video using Sora 2. Okay, let me quickly show you one or two examples, and then we'll now go to where we will be able to get this code and come here and paste the code to have our own access to Sora 2. All right, so let's go there right away. Okay, so for you to generate your video, just go ahead and describe your video, right? let me just say okay, a Nigerian man is from Nigeria. Okay, so that's what I want the AI to say. This is just a simple prompt. All right, make sure that you select your aspect ratio. For me, I always prefer landscape because I'm generating for the purpose of YouTube, so I prefer landscape. Go ahead and hit OK. As you can see, added to queue. See, my video is being generated. Let's watch and see the magic from Sora AI. Okay, as you can see, my video has been generated successfully. Okay, look at that. Okay, let's play the video and see. Okay.
Sora AI is one of the best AI video generators in 2025, and as you can see, I'm accessing it from Nigeria. Sora AI is one of the best AI video generators in 2025, and as you can see, I'm accessing it from Nigeria. Sora AI is one of the best AI video generators in 2025, and as you can see, I'm accessing it from Nigeria.
Wow, guys, this is cool. This is nice. See the way with just a simple prompt, I was able to generate this video. Guy, this is nice. Oh my goodness. I love this. Okay. So for you to download your video, you can just go ahead. You can go ahead and post your video. Okay, you can go ahead and post your video. So for you to download your video, first you can go ahead and post the video before you download it, or you can go ahead and download it directly. For you to download, you just have to long press the video. You are going to see download and then download it. But first, let's first post it. Let me just go ahead and post the video first. Okay, I just post my video. So for you to save your video, to download the video, you can long press and then you are going to see download video. You see by download video, go ahead and click download video. Okay, and your video will be downloaded into your gallery successfully. Okay, let's make another example, right, so that you understand better. Okay, so guys, I want to create another video, but I want to use this same stuff. All right, I want to use this same guy. So what I want to do now, so what I'll have to do is that I'm going to remix, so that I'll use the same person. Go ahead and click that remix, and this is saved, and this is what you're about to learn from my creator big journal, and then go ahead and hit OK. I want to use the same person. Okay, my video has been added to queue. Now let's watch and see the magic from Sora AI. I have to use a consistent character. All right, let's watch and see. Our second video has been generated. You see that it's the same person. Now let's play it and see.
Sora AI is one of the best AI video generators in 2025, and as you can see, I'm accessing it from Nigeria. And this is exactly what you're about to learn from my creator Big Jonah. Sora AI is one of the best AI video generators in 2025, and as you can see, I'm accessing it from Nigeria. And this is exactly what you're about to learn from my creator Big Jonah.
See, but do you know one thing? He added all the word. He added everything together. Do you understand? The same person, but because I want to continue the talk, I want to continue the speech. So what I did is that I remix it, right, and added what I wanted to add on it. Okay, see, I love this. You see, so you can just go ahead and download the video, long press the video to download it. For example, look at this particular video now. I can remix this video to my own. Do you understand? Like I can make the video using this same character, but with different caption, or maybe I can modify it to add anything that I want to add to it. Okay, now let's make the example, the last example. Now then I'll take you to where I'll be showing you how you can get the code for free. All right, now let's quickly do that. Go ahead and click the video.
So let's start simple. When you think about artificial intelligence today, what excites you the most?
Honestly, it's how creative AI.
Click the remix.
So let's start simple. When you think about artificial intelligence today, what excites you the most?
Honestly, it's how creative AI has become.
if you notice, if you look very well, they say describe changes, right? I want to describe changes. I say at the background, anywhere, from anywhere, and then go ahead and hit OK. Alright, so I just remixed the video, right? So let's go ahead and play the video and see. But before that, let's watch and see the magic from Sora AI. Let's just download the video at first, and then we'll now go ahead and play the video.
So what do you think about Sora AI?
Sora AI is cool, but the fact that it's not available in Nigeria is something else. But in this video, Big John Ab is going to teach you how to access it from anywhere.
Yeah, I like the sound
Stick
of that.
around.
He makes it super
Can't
easy.
wait.
So what do you think about Sora AI?
Sora AI is cool, but the fact that it's not available in Nigeria is something else. But in this video, Big John Ab is going to teach you how to access it from anywhere.
Yeah, I like the sound
Stick
of that.
around.
He makes it super
Can't
easy.
wait.
Wow, guys, this is cool. This is nice, but
Okay, guys, as you can see, the video is cool. Okay, this is top notch. All right, so now, but there's something that you need to know. When what you want the character to talk is long, what Sora AI does is that it will make the character to speak very fast, and that is why you see that the gear is speaking very, very fast, because what I want the character to say is long. So there's how Sora AI will just constrain it. Do you understand? So that is it. Okay, guys, this is cool. This is nice. So now the question now is that, how do you now get the code? How do you access the code before you be able to have access to Sora AI? Okay, now let's head over to where we are going to be getting the code, and then come here to paste the code and have access to Sora 2. Okay, let's go there.
okay. So this is the home. Go ahead and click it.
Okay, here we are on Discord. If you notice very well, we are using the site directly. Okay, discord.com. That is the one that you should use. If you use the app, you are not going to have access to this. Okay, make sure to use the website, which is discord.com. Okay, here we are on discord.com. So now all you need to do is to go ahead and click this icon, this search icon. Click it, and then search for OpenAI. OpenAI. Search for OpenAI. Okay, search for OpenAI. Go ahead and hit OK. Okay, this particular one, OpenAI official. Go ahead and click it. Okay, if you search for the OpenAI, it's going to bring you here. Go ahead and click this particular OpenAI. This is an OpenAI community. If you click it, if you look very well, see OpenAI with ChatGPT logo, right? If you join the OpenAI community, go ahead and search for Sora discussion. Okay, Sora discussion. As you can see, look at that. You see by Sora discussion, go ahead and click this Sora discussion. And here we are. Okay, if you click that Sora discussion, it's going to bring you here. Okay, as you can see. Okay, look at it. You see by even me yesterday when I did my own, I was asking that, you see, please, I need Sora code. If you look very well, this is me asking that I need Sora code, and this guy said I should DM. So I DM the guy actually give code also. Okay, if you come here, you are going to see a lot of people that have the code here. Okay, now look at it. You see code, please, as you can see. You see, so you just need to be here, search for code. You see, you just need to be patient. Look at the code. They have used this one. If you look this very well, you see, as you can see, this guy drop code. The code actually work for 3 people. Actually, with the code, as every member can invite just 6 member. Okay, now if you get your own code, you can actually invite 6 member. All right, so now some people who get their own, they come here and share their code. Like me, if I have my code, I can come to this place and share, and a lot of people are in this community and they are sharing code. So this is how so many people in my community get their code before we decide to start sharing it up and down also. And you can also come here to get your own code. All right, thank you. And also, there are some people in my community that are selling the code. So with just a little token, you can actually get this code also. If you cannot go through the stress, you can DM me. Check the description of this video. You are going to locate my WhatsApp handle. Reach out to me on WhatsApp to buy a code. All right. And also a quick one, if you want to master AI, then I highly recommend you to get our AI mastering blueprint, which we just launched. Okay, as you can see here, the module, we have 10 AI skill that you can master. Okay, and each of the skill come with the monetization strategies. Okay, you don't just learn the skill. When you learn the skill, how do you make money from it? So that is why I'm launching this AI mastering class. In the master class, you are going to learn how to create any type of realistic AI video using AI, even advert video, any kind of video. You'll be able to learn how to create it using AI. And also, you are going to be learning how to create a responsive website using AI, and also how to create any type of stunning design using AI. So if you are interested, then I highly recommend you to check the description of this video. You are going to locate my WhatsApp handle. Reach out to me on WhatsApp. Thank you and see you in class. So this is basically how to create a realistic AI video using Sora 2, and how to access Sora 2 from any country, and also how to get the invite code. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube, and don't forget to follow this account if you are watching from Facebook, Instagram or TikTok. I'm Big John as per usual friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.